welcome to the Grand Floridian, the Villas, where I'm staying with my family for 2 nights, and I will be showing you around the property and the room. It's going to be a very exciting weekend. Nice kitchen area. Into the main. This piece right here turns into a bed. I know because I saw the videos. Your nice area here. I wonder if that turns down into a bed. We'll have to check that out later. Here is our view. And one of the bedrooms here. The king bedroom. With your desk, your TV, and your nice walk-in closet. So you can definitely keep a lot of stuff in here, your robes, extra pillows and blankets, a lovely tub. They give you all of the things to soak in. You've got your sink, and then another sink over here. A shower. Oh, it's a nice big shower. There's the rain head and a seat. And of course, all your conditioners and shampoos. And then if you walk onto the other side, so here's the front door again, and here's the other side. You've got a little desk area should you need to work. Here's your second bathroom with another shower. This one does not have a tub. Oh yes, actually it does. It has a tub in there. It's just a shower tub combo. So feasibly 3 people could take showers at the same time because there's 3 different showers. This room has the 2 beds and the television, place to sit, and of course also a balcony out here. And there is actually a little balcony. You should be able to open the door. There's chairs out here. This is so cute. And a great view of the monorail, which is right there. That line right there is where the monorails come through. All right, so there is your tour, and we'll let you know how it is staying here. Let's check this out. Yep, there is a bed in here. Oh, how cute is this? Full bed down here. And I think this turns out into a bed too. Yeah, this is a bed behind here. Another bed. Perfect. Say one thing about the resorts is that you can get in early and there's been no lines, which if it stays like this the whole day, it would be fabulous. This is the Enchanted Rose. It is a great bar here at the Grand Floridian. There's a few different rooms that you can sit in. I'll show you the other one on the other side. I have already done a full video on this place, and it's one of my favorite places. I did it on one of my monorail bar tours. I will leave the link below and up here so you can check that video out for yourself. I highly recommend the signature drink here. It's a little pricey, but it's worth it. Will say, after walking in the park for hours, hanging out here on this extremely comfortable couch and listening to the piano music is quite relaxing.
It's so pretty here in the morning. Good morning from the Grand Floridian. We are checking out today from this room, and it has been a lovely stay. It's been very convenient being on the monorail line. I will say that also, as far as my reviews of this place go, oh, there's the monorail. The other thing I like about this hotel is that you can watch the fireworks from here, like I showed you in the video, and they pump the music in. And, you know, because Disney sets the fireworks to music. So we were able to hear that as well. This is the villa section of it. The only bad part is that you have to walk over to the main building every time you want something, because there's nothing out over here. There's no restaurant or anything like that. So that's the disadvantage. The advantage is that there's 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and this could sleep 9 people. Probably 9 adults, because that pull-out bed is large enough for an adult. So yeah, so those are the advantages and disadvantages, and you could always split the cost with another family too. That's another good thing. If you was like, ooh, you know, it is kind of pricey, but if you split it with other family members or another couple, then it could bring the costs down. Welcome to another view at the Grand Floridian Hotel. I'm here for another night, but this is a regular room. This is the 2 queen beds, but they gave us a room where you can see the fireworks right from your room. I will not be here for the fireworks tonight because I am going to be at the Polynesian, but I just wanted to show you that this is a great view. This is a standard room. It looks pretty nice. We do have concierge service that you can ask for. That means on the floor above me there are snacks and stuff, and I'm gonna go and check that out right now before they switch over to dessert. The coffee station. They give you the 50th anniversary and some other along with the Keurig. All right, I'm back in the room and finishing up my wine from 5 to 7 at night. I love that shot of the castle. From 5 to 7 o'clock at night, they have what they call twilight service, and they had cheese, and you saw what I showed you, you know, things for the kids, and they have wine for the adults, and it's really nice. And then the next is 8 to 10, and they have desserts. We're going to be heading over to dinner over at the Polynesian, so we won't be able to take advantage of that. My brother is staying here another night. I'm actually leaving in the morning. I will probably take advantage of the breakfast and coffee that they serve in the morning before I head back to Tampa. And my brother will enjoy all the other amenities, I'm sure. Yeah, so this has been really nice, staying here at the Grand Floridian. So the couch that was here is now my bed for the evening. And it was just a pull. I couldn't do it, but my brother did. And now I have a place to sleep tonight, extra blanket and pillow. We're in the closet. So on that note, thank you for tuning into the wonderful world of Wendy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next adventure.